Hey there, friends and fellow crafters. It's LeeAnn, and I am here with a project today that I made using products from Imagine Crafts. First up, I used VersaMark Dazzle ink in frost color, which left a silvery shine where stamped. I used this for the confetti found in Clair's Let's Celebrate stamp set. My stamping today is done on black Recollections 110-pound cardstock. I just love the shine that this Dazzle's frost ink gives for this confetti. It just looks so good on this black cardstock. Following this, I used Delicata Gold to stamp out 2019 and 2020 from Fawn's Celebration Countdown stamp set. This Delicata Gold is great. It's metallic. It's just a really nice color. And you'll see now I'm going to stamp out Happy New Year from Peekaboo's Poinsetta stamp set. And you could just see that all that shine on that cardstock. I used on-point glue to adhere my stamped panel to my background layer, which is a gold mirrored cardstock. I'm going to adhere that first to my card base, which is also black Recollections 110-pound in a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 side folding. My mirrored layer is 4 inches by 5.25, and then my black panel is 3.75 by 5. With those layers all adhered, my project is complete. Thanks for watching. Have a crafty day. Please see the description box below this video for links to all the products I have listed.